Stepping up with a pass that is picked off by Paille. Paille drops it back to Matt Ryan. Fires, and Gerson out to the top of the blue ice to make that save and hang on. And we have got another penalty coming up, and what's going on with this one here? So 1-1 back in a moment. You're listening to Storm Hockey on CJOY. Looks like offsetting penalties to Paille and Angelidis, so the power play for Owen Sound continues on 4-3 for another 39 seconds. Interesting to note, Eric, 2 shots in this penalty kill for the Storm. It's now 7-4 Owen Sound. That's as aggressive as the Storm have been maybe in the game through the penalty kill.
We talked about this earlier in the series.